Hey guys, today on Automotive Reviews. Why is Ford bringing their best SUVs? And when I say best SUV, I mean the best looking SUV to China, not America. This is weird. The 2022 Ford Evos won't replace the Fusion in the United States, Mondeo in Europe. Now, photographed on many occasions, tested in Europe and the United States, the Evo crossover wagon Melange won't be offered in North America. Now, those are the words of Mike Levine, who is adamant that Ford won't offer the cross wagon outside of the Chinese market. I mean, just look at this. And of course, I mean, this is an awesome SUV. Look at the interior. I mean, look at the styling. I mean, look at the dashboard and look at the infotainment system. This is stellar. And even the colors and the mirrors and everything in the seats and the stitching and the ambient lighting. Wow. Now the question is, what is the Blue Oval going to do in the midsize segment going forward? Relying on the likes of the Edge and Explorer isn't exactly an inspired choice. More so if you take a look at the ever-popular Outback. Subaru moves hundreds of thousands every single year in the United States, and the consumer doesn't even question the SUV advertising. That simply isn't correct. The Outback is and has always been an all-wheel drive station wagon, and is versatile one of those given an impressive sales volume. I remember a long time ago I used to sell Subarus at a dealership, and the people were so loyal and dedicated to it. And this particular vehicle would do the same thing for Ford. But why is Ford not listening? Why are they not listening to the Outback and bringing it? It wouldn't hurt the sales of the Ford Explorer. It wouldn't hurt any of their lines to bring this. It would only benefit them. Now, the communication manager at Ford in North America didn't offer any explanation about the Evo's regional availability, which is all the more curious in these utility vehicles driven times, because it's based on the C2 vehicle architecture of the Focus, the Bronco Sport, and a Kuga, also known as Escape in the United States. Now, the Dearborn-based automaker could easily prepare an American or European production facility for Evo production. Whatever the reason for this, hundreds of thousands of potential customers will miss out on this low-slung utility vehicle with a lot of desirable features. Now, these include the 3.6 feet wide display that spans almost the entire width of the dashboard, over-the-air firmware updates, Sync Plus 2.0, and the Ford Motor Company first ever virtual personal assistant. The Evos further sweetens the deal with the 2.0 liter EcoBoost turbo 4-cylinder engine and the Blue Cruise, the automaker's driver assist technology suite that rivals the Super Cruise from General Motors and an autopilot from Tesla. This is stunning, folks. This is very stunning. I mean, why not bring it to the United States? Why not change your mind? Why not, go up against the likes of Subaru and take some of that money from them and bring it into Ford? This would not hurt your sales. I mean, this is beautifully made. Ship them in from China. Bring them back to the United States. This is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and have a fantastic day. And tell me what you think about this SUV not coming to America.
Hey guys, it's Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching the video. Appreciate your time. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and have a fantastic day. We out.